Hi children, welcome to grade 5 science. Today we are going to see the next chapter, that is states of matter. So before going to that, just look at these objects. Could you analyze what are these objects and what kind of types, what kind of objects these are? As in the first picture it is shown as some lock, coin and cake, and in the second picture it is a jug full of water and a tumbler full of juice and a cup full of hot coffee. And in the third picture, a ball and balloons. So could you analyze what these picture represents? Yes, this picture represents the states of matter. So the first one is the solid, and the second one is the liquid, and the third one is the gas. Right? So before going to discussing about those topics, just listen. What is matter? So matter is something that is made up, that is by which an object is made up of. Right. So what is matter? Matter is something by which an object is made up of. Okay. Matter is everywhere. It is present around us. Anything is matter. Even a pen, pencil, our human body is also made up of some matter. Right. So matter can be as big as rock or as tiny as a sand. The forms in which matter existence are called states of matter. You might have known about these things in your earlier classes itself, right? So what are the three types of matters available? They are solid, liquid and gas, right? So today also we are going to discuss about these states of matter in a detailed way in this chapter, right? So states of matter. All matter that we see around us exists mainly in three forms, that is solid, liquid and gas. These are the primary three states of matter, and also you might have known some example for these states of matter, that is table, pen, then juices, milk, water can, water, and then for example gas, oxygen, carbon dioxide, steam. So these are example for all three states of matter, right? So today we are going to study about the conversion between these matters, how the conversions will take place. Just before going to that in a detailed manner, just think about what happened if you refrigerate a water in an ice tray. Yes, it will convert it into ice cubes. Similarly, if you kept that ice cubes in a open space, what it will happen? It will become water. So the what the process is called, the former one is a, there's the prior one is a freezing process, and the later one is a melting process, right? That is conversion of matter from one form to another form is called change of state of matter. That's what we are going to discuss, changes in state of matter. That first topic, change of state between solid and liquid. The ice cubes is the very good example for this type of change, right? So when we fill the ice tray with water and kept inside the freezer, after some time we notice that those ice will be frozen to form, those water will be frozen to form the ice cubes. So that process is called freezing, that is changing of liquid to solid, right? Then if we kept that ice tray open in an open space, that is for, and also if we kept that butter in an open space, it start to melt. This represents change of state from solid to liquid. This process is called melting, right? Would you clear about that melting and freezing process? Very good. So next, the freezing point of water is 0 degree Celsius. At 0 degree Celsius only the water will start to freeze. And also the melting point of ice is 0 degree Celsius, the same only. Okay. if the temperature goes 0 degrees Celsius and below that, the liquid will changes to solid. Okay, and if the temperature reaches 0 degree and above that, the solid change to liquid. So that's why the melting point of an ice is 0 degrees Celsius, whereas the freezing point of an water is also 0 degree Celsius. Just keep it in mind, don't get confused about this. Okay, so today we had learned about the change of matter, that is change of solid state to liquid state, and the freezing and melting point of both water and ice, right? And your today's homework, you have to write what is melting point of ice, what is freezing point of water. Just write these two questions in your classwork note, and you have to complete the practice zone 1 in your concept book. Today this is your homework. Just finish it and upload it in Google Classroom app without fail. We can see with still more interesting topics in the same chapter in further classes, right? Till then, stay safe, stay connected. Bye.